Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by confirming what to refine and why. Choose the artifact with the correct main stat and the best substats for your build. Once done, make sure you have sufficient Mora and enhancement materials. Refining too early wastes resources. Next, select the slot and set you will refine first so you concentrate upgrades where they matter. Do this because focused investment yields higher returns than spreading materials across many pieces. Now you level the chosen artifact methodically. Push to +4, then pause to reevaluate substat rolls so you don't waste further upgrades. While enhancing, feed artifacts that have substats complementary to your target to bias future RNG toward desired improvements. Make sure to use high-value XP materials like Mystic Enhancement or when efficiency matters. This reduces time and keeps weaker ores for filler. If a roll goes against you, reassess whether to keep investing or switch pieces. Finish by taking the artifact to max level and verifying that substat values hit your target thresholds. Lock or equip the piece once satisfied. If the RNG doesn't deliver acceptable rolls, cut losses. Stop upgrading that artifact and start a new candidate so you don't waste Mora. Finally, if materials run low, prioritize leyline and domain farming to recover Mora and ores before the next refinement cycle. This ensures you can repeat the process without pause.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.